If you love the ocean and style, a dive watch is more than just a timepiece. It's your ultimate underwater companion. Ready to find the perfect one? The watch's DV Dive smartwatch immediately caught my attention with its sleek design and smart features tailored for underwater use. It offers a waterproof rating that lets you explore depths confidently, plus a vibrant digital display that's easy to read even in low light. Its functionality goes beyond just telling time, syncing with your phone to keep notifications at your wrist while you dive or swim. Using this smartwatch felt like having a personal dive assistant. Tracking my dive time and heart rate gave me peace of mind and enhanced my experience. The lightweight build made it comfortable to wear all day, whether underwater or on land. Have you ever wished a watch could do more than just tick? This one certainly does. One minor drawback might be the battery life, which requires charging more often than traditional dive watches. Still, the trade-off for smart features seems worth it if you want a versatile dive watch that blends technology with durability. The watch's DV Dive smartwatch is a solid pick to consider. The Invicta Men Pro Diver stainless steel quartz watch is a classic that effortlessly merges style and functionality. From the moment I put it on, its polished stainless steel case and rotating bezel gave it a professional, robust feel. The watch features reliable quartz movement, ensuring precise timekeeping whether you're underwater or attending a business meeting. Its water resistance up to 200 meters means this watch isn't just for show, it's built to perform in real diving conditions. Wearing it, I appreciated the luminous hands and markers, which made reading time during night dives or murky waters easy and stress-free. Who says a dive watch can't be elegant and practical? Although the watch is heavier than some modern dive watches, that weight adds a reassuring sense of durability. If you're looking for a timeless dive watch that stands out on your wrist and withstands the elements, the Invicta Pro Diver is a dependable choice. The Tree Hut Black Ebony Dive Watch offers a unique twist on traditional dive watches with its striking wooden accents. At first glance, the ebony wood bezel and natural finish made it stand out beautifully against its black dial. Despite its unconventional materials, it's designed to handle water exposure, making it a stylish yet practical option. Wearing this watch felt like having a piece of nature with me, adding warmth and personality to my underwater gear. The lightweight wood also made it comfortable for daily wear, and the clear markings ensured I could track time effectively during dives. Ever thought a wooden watch could be your next dive companion? This one might change your mind. Keep in mind, wood requires a bit more care to maintain its finish, especially after repeated water exposure. Still, if you want a dive watch that's as unique as your style, the Tree Hut Black Ebony is a refreshing choice that breaks the mold. The Tree Hut Wooden Dive Watch for Men impressed me with its earthy charm and surprisingly solid build for a wooden watch. The combination of natural wood tones and a durable stainless steel case balances aesthetics with toughness, making it suitable both underwater and in everyday settings. The dial is clean and legible, which is essential when timing your dives. What really stood out was how light the watch felt on my wrist, making it easy to forget I was even wearing it while swimming. The eco-friendly craftsmanship added a personal touch, and I found myself appreciating the subtle grain patterns unique to each piece. Can a wooden watch truly keep up with a diver's demands? This one proves it can. The only caveat is that it's not designed for extreme depths like professional dive watches, so casual divers or water enthusiasts will get the most out of it. For those who want to combine style with a nod to nature, this Tree Hut Wooden Dive Watch is a fantastic option. The Citizen ProMaster Dive Eco Drive Watch is a powerhouse built for serious divers who don't want to compromise on style or sustainability. Powered by light, the EcoDrive system means you never have to worry about changing batteries. A huge plus for anyone who spends a lot of time underwater. Its robust stainless steel case and unidirectional bezel feel solid and dependable from the first wear. I loved how effortlessly the watch performed in different lighting conditions, thanks to its luminous hands and markers, which provided crystal clear visibility during night dives. The water resistance rating is impressive, making it suitable for deep dives. Isn't it great when a watch can keep up with your adventurous spirit without missing a beat? If there's one thing to note, it's the price, which might be higher than entry-level models. However, considering the technology and durability, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about diving. Picture yourself diving confidently with this Citizen on your wrist. It's truly built for the long haul. The Silso Dive Smartwatch surprised me with how many features it packs at such a budget-friendly price. Designed with a sporty look and basic water resistance, it's great for casual swimmers and those new to diving. The digital display is clear, offering timers and fitness tracking that help monitor your underwater activity and daily steps. Wearing it felt easy and light, which is perfect for people who don't want to feel weighed down by a bulky watch. Plus, the affordable price point makes it accessible if you're testing the waters with smart dive watches. Have you ever wanted a watch that supports your active lifestyle without breaking the bank? This could be it. Of course, it's not designed for professional diving or deep underwater use, so serious divers might want something more robust. Still, for everyday water activities and fitness tracking, the Silso Dive Smart Watch delivers great value and functionality. The Sudorf Dive Smartwatch impressed me as a versatile and budget-friendly option for those who want smart features with basic dive readiness. It offers multiple activity modes, heart rate monitoring, and a splash-resistant design that's handy for swimmers or light diving. The display is sharp and responsive, making it easy to navigate underwater or on the go. I found it comfortable during workouts and casual dives alike, with a strap that stays secure without feeling tight. It's perfect for people who want a smart watch with some dive capabilities, but without the hefty price tag. Isn't it nice when technology and affordability come together so well? One thing to consider is that it lacks the advanced water resistance of higher-end dive watches, so it's best suited for shallow water activities. Nevertheless, the Sudorf offers an excellent entry point into smart dive watches without sacrificing style or basic functionality. The Tommy Hilfiger Men's Multifunction Dive Quartz Watch combines iconic fashion with solid dive watch features. From the moment I tried it on, its clean design and brand signature style stood out. The multifunction dial offers day, date, and 24-hour sub-dials, making it more than just a basic watch. It's water-resistant enough for swimming and snorkeling, which adds to its versatility. What I really appreciated was how this watch bridges the gap between a dress watch and a dive watch, giving you a sporty yet refined look for any occasion. Do you want a watch that looks great whether you're at a business meeting or by the pool? This Tommy Hilfiger model fits the bill perfectly. It's not designed for deep diving, so if you're a professional diver, you might need something more specialized. However, for everyday wear and light water activities, this watch offers style and function in one attractive package.